Mr. Chair, we started releasing the fuel subsidy last March 24, and we encountered several challenges. First, Mr. Chair, is the incorrect franchise and bank account and e-wallet being given to us by the operators. Kasi ang ginawa po natin dito para sa operators, ito po yung fuel subsidy. We give the subsidy through fuel subsidy card, through their bank account or check. Second is the incorrect driver's list, as mentioned by Chairman Vigor. This is the first time that we're giving subsidy directly to the drivers. So from dun po sa mga previous fuel subsidy, wala pong driver dito. Pangatlo po is yung pag nabigay na po sa amin yung e-wallet account, pinapa-verify po namin yan sa GCash or Paymaya. Unfortunately po, hindi po kami na babalikan agad. And fourth, the duplicity. So, while we encounter these challenges, Mr. Chair, we made some changes and solutions. First is face-to-face payout and issuance of check. We made this po nung last April 2, and then again last Friday and Saturday for our taxi drivers. Third is the third-party validation. So hinihingi po namin sa ating mga operators ang pangalan po ng kanilang mga drivers at pinapa-certify po natin na ito po ay kanilang drivers at ito included